Guide on how to fix Android driver issues and missing devices on box phone. For example, I have 20 devices connected, but the software only detects 16 of them. First, open CMD and type the command ADB devices to check the list of connected devices. Here, I should have 20 devices, but 4 are missing. This issue needs to be resolved. Once you have the ADKey file, follow this path to access the necessary directory. Go to Drive C, open User, then navigate to the .android folder. Copy the two files ADKey and ADKey.pub provided, paste them into this folder, and choose Replace. In CMD, type ADB kill server, wait for a moment, and then type ADB devices again. Now, the Android driver error is gone. Wait a moment, and the software will detect all 20 devices.